Recently, the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, was in the news as it was imaged for the first time by the Event Horizon telescope. Such black holes present at the centers of galaxies are called supermassive black holes, as their mass is million to billion times the mass of the Sun. Collisions of galaxies are known to be pretty common in our universe. But do the supermassive black holes collide too, when the galaxies collide? And what would happen if they ever do? Most big galaxies have a supermassive black hole. The supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way was recently imaged by the Event Horizon telescope. It is called Sagittarius A star. Its mass is 4 million times that of the Sun. It is at a distance of 26,000 light-years from us. Considering that galaxies can exist for billions of years, galaxy mergers are pretty common in the universe. And when two galaxies collide, the supermassive black holes at their centers collide too. So what do we hope to see if we ever see such a merger? First of all, such a merger would release gravitational waves. Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of space-time that are released when two massive bodies like black holes or neutron stars collide. Gravitational waves also travel at the speed of light. But unlike the merger of smaller black holes, which only releases gravitational waves, in the merger of these supermassive black holes, we would also see X-rays accompanying the gravitational waves. The X-rays are released as a result of the accretion of surrounding hot gas by these black holes while spiraling into each other, releasing enormous amounts of energy. Eventually, the two giants will merge into each other and become one. In fact, the event is so violent that after the merger, a jet of particles traveling at speeds close to the speed of light is expected to shoot out from the center of the newly formed black hole. While the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory or LIGO has helped us see the mergers of smaller black holes, we have never observed the merger of two supermassive black holes. That is because the frequency of the gravitational waves generated by a supermassive black hole merger is lower than what LIGO is equipped to detect. Hence, the European Space Agency is planning to launch a space-based gravitational wave detector called LISA, the Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, to detect such mergers. It will orbit the Sun along with the Earth. As of now, its launch is scheduled in 2037. Probably when Andromeda merges into our Milky Way, the echoes of the merger of their supermassive black holes will ring through the universe, and an advanced civilization would hear them and gather scientific data from them. If you found this video intriguing, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Edge of the Universe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated as we unravel many more mysteries.